Hello everyone. Welcome back to ARVA WELD.
Today I'm going to show you an easy welding technique for beginners. Don't worry if your hand shakes a little while welding. Your weld won't be ruined.
Let's get started.
Take a look at my hand. I'm trying to weld just like a beginner, with a shaky hand on purpose. Don't worry, even if you weld like this, your final weld will still turn out just fine. Please support us by liking this video right now. Thank you. As you can see, the weld turned out really well.